Once upon a time in a small, colorful village, there lived a little boy named Leo who loved balloons more than anything. One sunny morning, Leo found a shiny, rainbow-colored balloon tied to his front door. A tiny note was attached to the string. It read, "Hold tight and say the magic words, up, up, and away." Leo blinked in surprise, then grinned. He held the balloon tightly and whispered, "Up, up, and away." Suddenly, the balloon lifted him into the sky. Higher and higher he went, soaring over rooftops, trees, and even a flock of birds wearing tiny hats. Leo giggled with joy. He floated to Cloudland, a fluffy kingdom in the sky where clouds could talk, and cotton candy grew on trees. The Cloud King greeted him with a big, puffy smile. "Welcome, Leo. We need your help. The wind has blown all our stars away." Leo bravely jumped into action. With the help of a cloud named Fluffy and a pair of magical binoculars, Leo searched the skies and gently caught every missing star, putting them back where they belonged. As a thank you, the Cloud King gave Leo a special gift, a star-shaped cookie that sparkled in the sunlight. When it was time to go home, Leo held his balloon again and said, "Home sweet home." Down he floated, safe and sound, right back to his front yard. From that day on, Leo kept the balloon by his bed, waiting for his next adventure.